How can you turn down the speakers on your iPhone? Let me show you some options you have. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, obviously, if you're playing music or videos through your speakers of the iPhone, just go to the control center and then dial down the volume in here, and you can turn it down like that, or of course utilize the volume buttons. So that is the most basic approach. However, if you need it to be a little bit deeper than that, you can also play or set up some changes to the equalizer. So you can go to your settings, tap on apps, and at the bottom and go to your music section. That is for, of course, your music that you're listening to, and there is a section for EQ, and there you can, for example, reduce the bass, or you can see you can increase the bass on the other hand, or play around with these different modes, which perhaps will change the speakers, and that's how you can technically like turn them down. And that is another setting for the microphone, for the speakers, instead of just adjusting the volume. So that might be something that you are interested in. And one more thing is adjusting the alerts, because whenever you receive a notification, the sound may be much louder than the actual content and the volume of your videos and music. And this can be adjusted in the main settings app by going to the sounds and haptics, and there is a slider for the ringtone and alerts volume. So that is a separate thing from the content volume. So make sure to adjust it according to your preferences as well. So I would really appreciate your feedback below. If you managed to actually find it and make it work, hit a thumbs up if you did, subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you in the next videos as well.